everybody, so today is the day we've all been waiting for. We're gonna be taking Black Beauty for its first official rip on the engine rebuild. So we ended up going to Daytona last week, and just to let you know, 4 hours there, 4 hours back, sitting in traffic the whole weekend. The truck had no issues, thank God. So once we got back, we did an oil change on it, and at that point we were already over 1,500 miles, so the engine should be completely broken in and ready to rip. So today, that's what we're gonna be doing. Of course, for the first official rip, we're gonna be doing a burnout. So I'm gonna be taking these 14 wides off and the brand new Versa tires, because obviously I wanna save as much tread on those as possible. Keep that more for like the show style setup. We're gonna be putting my 12 wides with the ball trail grapplers on and letting it eat a little bit. So we're gonna go cruising around, lay a nice burnout, so I hope you guys are excited for that. And just so you know, everything being filmed today is gonna be in its low power tune. I'm sure as I get used to the truck a little bit more, we're gonna keep bumping it up, bumping it up, bumping it up. Let me know what you guys wanna see, if it's 0 to 60s, if it's 4x4 launches. So not only for me, but definitely an exciting moment for the whole channel to hear this thing, see what it does. And this is only the beginning for Rowdy content on this channel. Like I said, the truck's gonna be on the dyno, the truck's gonna be down the track. All that's to come in the future, so definitely stay tuned for that. But for today, let's get it on its first rip and see what this old girl's got. We're gonna be giving her a little pull right here. I'm freaking excited to see this thing, so let's see. Holy, once that turbo spools, this thing's outie. Woo! First little rip. Oh, I love it. That thing put me back in my seat. First rip, oh wow. So we got Black Beauty over here. We got the camo Crocs on. We got the old baloney skin burnout tires on. We got a fire extinguisher in the truck. Good old safety precaution, but it's really the time we all been waiting for. I've been waiting to rip on this thing. We're gonna see what it does, so I'm excited. Let's get it. Well, I think good old Black Beauty, I'd say she's broken in. I think that was a nice little heater, you know, warm up the shoes a little bit, but I think she's ready to go. Let me know what you guys think down below. So come take a look at these bad boys right here. These are about ready to blow. So if you guys want to see these things really get popped off, we might have to do it at 100K celebration. So if you guys would like to see that, you got to make sure you like and subscribe to this video, and possibly at 100K. What do you guys say? Blow these things off the truck? It's up to you. These fresh new drag radials are looking kind of fire. Might have to do it to the other two, put those up front. Hit the track on those freshies, you know what I mean? Imagine all four with some real drag radials on this thing. Look juicy. So this is actually the day after. This is what I like to see right here. So we're in here right now. We're gonna give Emily her first little pull. We're in two-wheel drive, so it's probably just gonna spin, but let's see what you think. You ready?
Yep.
So since we're in two-wheel drive, we're gonna do probably like a 50 roll. So once we get around this bend here, we'll be ready to go. We're about to hit a jump right here.
That was crazy.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Feels like I'm on a roller coaster.
So you think you're ready to drive this thing yet or what?
Yeah. Let me get a rip.
For real?
Yeah.
Let
me.
You guys think we should let her drive it or no? You think you can do a burnout of this?
Yep.
Have you ever done one before?
No. But I will.
You want to learn?
Let me do it.
Do we let her try, guys? Comment down below, like I said. I'm gonna end up putting the stocks back on because I didn't mention to you guys, but we're gonna actually be taking this thing all the way back to New Jersey on a nice road trip. And I actually have a booth at Atlantic City Truck Meet, so all my Northern fam, better see you there. Grandpa mode engaged. Just giving you guys a quick reminder, up until June 25th, there's gonna be 5 times entries on my website for the giveaway, which is a fast fuel system of your choice, or $800 cash for any of you guys that don't know. You will have up till 4th of July to get entered, but as of right now, while you're watching this video, you have 5 times entries, and this is gonna be the only multiplier for this giveaway. So thank you to everybody who has entered already. If you haven't, I don't know what you're doing. Someone's gonna be getting a phone call for either a fast fuel system of their choice or $800 in cash. So good luck and get entered while you can.
We are heading into death. The good old Theo monster right there.
I really don't think that this will ever get old. Like, just easing into the pedal. Facebook Marketplace be like, about 90% tread. 5,000 our best offer. These damn baloney skins just patiently waiting to be blown off. Couple little revs under the tunnel. We're just cruising right now. Give it a little hit around like 50. Literally started spinning at 60. Much more to come. Peace.